Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, do not mind my dookie. Suspect is having a bad hair day. I had braids and I removed the braids a few days ago, and at this point I just don't know what to do with the hair. Today we will be unboxing this parcel. So I got this today, it's from Shein, and I'll be unboxing it with you. I ordered this on the 28th of November. Today is the 13th of December. It literally took 2 weeks to get to me, and that's not too bad. I have a Christmas gift in here, and I really needed it to get to me as fast as possible because in about a week I should be going home, and I wanted to take the Christmas gift with me. Let's see what's in here. These are shoes. Obviously it's like a whole box, but let's open it up. I'm also waiting for a plumber. I've been waiting for this plumber the whole day. He was supposed to be here at like 12 p.m. The time now is probably past 5, and I'm still waiting for this guy to turn up. There's a leak somewhere, maybe in the underground pipes, because the water bill, guys, and that meter thing just keeps running. So I definitely think there's a leak somewhere. First item, I don't know which shoes these are. I've not had a brown shoe, a brown heel in like forever. And I have been looking for a brown shoe. Like, not even just a brown, a particular shade of brown. You know, like that dark brown. I just love them. Look at that. And they have like a gold heel. They fit. That's item number 1. Shoes again. These ones are gold. Look at these ones. I got this in a size 7 and they fit perfectly. These are lovely. So we have the Secret Santa, right, for Christmas presents, and I couldn't find anything for the person I'm buying a gift for, so I decided to go on Shein. And then I was like, since I'm anyway ordering Christmas gift, I couldn't just order one item from Shein. I mean, it just doesn't make any economic sense, right? So I just had to throw in some other items. I mean, you just imagine ordering one item all the way from China. Just one. Nah. Doesn't make any economic sense at all. These are other shoes. Yes. Really nice. Like, it's like, I don't know if you can see properly, but it's like a wine, dark red. I love them. Another pair of shoes. I'm not sure which ones these are. Another shade, which is also like a critical color that you also should have in your closet, is a nude. Shein came through. Oh, and they're so soft. Also a size 40, which is a 7, which fits a 6. At least it fits my 6. Look at the design. Look at that. This is cute. Let me just do a quick try. This is nice. I love it. I've ordered a few times from Shein. I've realized this brand, Cuckoo, I think that's how you pronounce it. They've got some really nice stuff, some really quality stuff. And I've also realized that most of their items come in this type of plastic, this pinkish plastic. And all the shoes that I've ordered from this brand, from Shein, they've really been top notch. I bought an animal print skirt, this color. I think if you have watched one of my videos previously, you would have seen that I ordered a similar skirt at some point. But what I've realized with that other skirt, the brown, this color is a bit dark. So it almost comes out as if it's a bit yellowish. And although I did like it at that point, over time, it was just not working for me. I didn't like the colors. It was a bit too dark. So I ordered this skirt here, and this is literally the right shade of brown. I love it. It has an elastic waist. Let me put it back in the plastic. Next item is this. It's for the car. It's like a magnetic car mount for the phone. So you hook this onto the air vents and then you put your phone here. So that's one. You guys, you know that when I did that other video, I went to buy a Pocket 3. In fact, I'm actually recording from the Pocket 3 right now. The next one is this item. This is like a magnetic mount for the Pocket 3. You put the Pocket 3 inside. You can actually attach it to any magnetic surface. So this is how it looks like, and this is the magnet at the end. Where's that magnetic thing? Let me see if they actually work. Yeah, because this is also a magnet. Oh yes, I can vlog while I'm in the car. Good. This is the actual reason why I had to order from Shein, and it better not disappoint. These are jeans, olive green jeans, and they have this detail. They do look a bit big on the waist. It's quite small, so I don't think this waist will fit him, but maybe he likes his pants to hang. I shouldn't be saying that. I wanted to get him something unique, not something, I didn't want to go into like Mr. Price and buy something that everybody else has. And the quality is like really jean material. I just got a message. Looks like the plumber is proposing to come tomorrow at 8. Now, but tomorrow I have to go somewhere. And literally I've just been waiting all day at home for nothing. I really hope he loves this, but I'm gonna let my son try them on just to see how they sit. Shein did not disappoint. It's a handbag. I saw this handbag on the Zara website, and the handbag was going for like, I think it was like, I can't remember the price, but I'll put the item, I'll put it here so that you see. And then I went on Shein. In fact, I took a screenshot of the Zara item. I put it on Shein, and Shein gave me this. I hope I'm not disappointed. Oh, wow. Is this from Shein? Like, this is the bag from Zara. This is Shein. Look at the price difference. I do not believe it. And I really, really loved this bag. And I was just like, there's no way I'm going to pay so much for this bag. Look at the stitching. Like, look how neat it is. So this has like these bags inside. You can actually remove the bag. It has these short straps, and then it also has these long straps. I am pleasantly surprised. The idea was to wear these two together. Okay, the shades of brown are not exact, but they are not too bad either. Shein, you are the girl you think you are. Well, sometimes, not always. Sometimes you come through, sometimes I don't know what happens, but something goes a little bit haywire sometimes. Okay, I got this as well. I don't know what you call them. It's like sponges for the heels. So you put them in the front of your shoes just to kind of ease the pressure on your toes in the heels. Oh, another bag. This is the gold bag. Guys, you know these people order from Shein and then they come and charge us ridiculous prices when we can order them for ourselves. Honestly, I saw this bag from one shop. This bag was going for like $699, like almost $700. Shein, the price was probably like 200 and something. So I was like, there's no way I'm going to spend $700 on a bag when I can get it from Shein for much cheaper. I love it. Look at that. Then it has the straps inside. Another tip is when you see something that you like and you don't have the money or you think it's overpriced, take a screenshot, put it on Shein. Shein will give you so many options, and then at least you have options. If you can't wait for 2 weeks or however long the order will get to you, then maybe you can buy. But if you have time, just buy it from Shein. But again, read the reviews first so that at least you know what you're getting. These are shoes again. They are the animal print shoes. Love them. This color goes really nice with red as well. That Cuckoo brand, guys. Try to buy this brand. I think they really have quality stuff. This item is another one also for the Pocket 3. So I'm going to link that vlog where I was buying this Pocket 3 up here. Please also do go watch what I got up to in Europe. Just gray pants. And the quality. Guys, look at the quality. Not just any girl. Daisy Girl. This brand also on Shein has good quality stuff. I've been looking for gray pants in like forever. Oh yes, and then I bought a belt, like a dark brown belt. And this was mainly to go with that bag I bought because I could not find this dark shade of brown anywhere. I bought these two to kind of complement each other. That's the last of the items. What do you think? What do you think of my items? What do you think of my order? What do you think of my choices? Let me know in the comments. You know, sometimes I do these unboxing videos and then there will be 1 or 2 items where I'll be like, yeah, I thought it's like this, but it didn't come out exactly the way I had in my mind or the way I thought the item would be. But today's order, everything is really awesome. Quality. If you have any questions about any of the items that I ordered, maybe the sizes, the codes, maybe you want to order the same thing and you are looking for the code of the items, please do let me know in the comment section and I will definitely give you that tea. And if you enjoyed today's video, please do give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.